Welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to use mobile data during call on Android mobile. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Guys, if you are unable to use your mobile data during ongoing voice call, then I will show you how to use or how to fix this. First of all, you need to open the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here SIM card and mobile network. Just tap on this. Again you need to scroll down a little bit. In this you can see here use mobile data during voice calls on secondary SIM. By default this option is disabled. You need to enable this option. Click OK. That's it. So in this way you can use your mobile data during ongoing voice call. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.